Bro, what's up? I want you to make me money. You registered for the webinar, yet you didn't sign up. I have a step-by-step system showing you everything you need to start an online business from scratch, without any technical skills, without having to set up your own product, without having to hire employees, without having to have a social media following or build an email list or all this other fancy stuff. I'm giving you everything step by step to start making me money. And I'm serious, and you are going to get good commissions on everything you do. I don't know if you saw my full training presentation or not, but basically, I am giving you a system where we are working together here. The more you make, the more I make. So if you're not making anything, then we're not working together. You are never going to get a chance like this in the rest of your life to work with somebody, to be incentivized to work with an internet multimillionaire to make some serious dough online. Okay, this is closing soon. This is a very limited time offer that I've made you, and you are going to lose out on everything. The opportunity, the bonuses, and the chance to work with somebody who's going to be by your side every single week, showing you exactly what to do. What are you doing with your life? Where are you headed? Have you looked at yourself and actually asked yourself, where am I going in life? Am I making decisions to become a better version of myself? Because right now, you are on a downward spiral and you are not going anywhere. I am trying to help you here. And I'm sincere in that. And I don't mean to be browbeating you because, just to be an a-hole. I'm here because I care about you and I want you to make me money. Plain and simple. Not gonna lie, but I want you to make money too. Because the more money you make, the more money I make. Now, if this is a deal, you can still sign up. This is your last chance. This is the last chance you will get to take me up on this opportunity. Now, you have a fork in the road. You have a decision to make. You can continue going the way you've always been going and get the results you've always been getting. Maybe you'll get lucky. Maybe you'll inherit some cash. Maybe you'll win the lottery. Maybe your boss will recognize what you're doing and, give you that promotion and, put you on the fast track. So you could rely on those. Or you could take destiny into your own hands and forge your own path like a man. Let's make a decision. I'm here for you. I'm reaching out, but this is your last chance. So make a decision. The button is on this video somewhere. You can click it and make your choice today, check things out, and move forward. And I'll treat this discussion like nothing ever happened. Talk to you soon.